Hello, this is John Ruman. I am the facilitator for the Stress Relief Workshop, and I wanted to make a quick video to see if you would be someone who would benefit from the workshop. So first and foremost, are you someone who feels they're under stress in their life? Do you feel like you have a heavy weight on your head or on your shoulders? Do you feel like you could never get ahead? Do you find it challenging to lose weight? Do you find that you sleep poorly at night? Do you find that you become short or argumentative or angry with people rather easily? Do you find that any of these things are areas of your life that may even be a describer of you? If they are, then you would really benefit from the workshop. And if you know someone who would have these challenges, they would also benefit. So that is who these things would be for. Let me tell you some of the benefits of the actual workshop itself. We're going to do 3 areas. 2 are going to be actual techniques. One is going to deal with high-level stress, taking that high-level stress down from like 8, 9, and 10, bringing it down to initially like a 7, 6, or 5, and eventually down to a unnoticeable level. Not necessarily in the class, but you can continue the technique to do so. That's part 1. Part 2, we're going to go over something that will actually help you become in a rest and digest, which is the medical term for the at ease state, which is the opposite of the fight or flight stress state. And it'll make you more resilient, so when things come up, they just won't bug you. We'll also be discussing an actual workshop. So in the workshop, there'll be a couple areas. One will actually be all the main areas of stress, and as a group I'll be covering, so for example, of financial. I'll bring up financial and ask yourself, in what ways are finances or financial challenges causing stress in your life? If they are, most people have that, and if they are, that's great. And basically you will privately, this is usually not shared unless you choose to, write down how you're going to minimize, eliminate, or mitigate that stress. And then at the same time, also we'll be discussing how you can say no. A lot of people really have challenges with saying no, and we'll kind of delve into that because this really affects a lot of people. So that's why you'd probably want to come. The benefits of this, when you're done, you're going to feel tremendous state of well-being. You'll be able to feel as though and know as though you can actually overcome stress and stress events. You'll actually be able to create more and more resilience in your life, so you actually will have less effects of the stressful environment. Your reactions will be less, and you'll actually feel much more of a victor in the situations versus a victim. And that's the primary thing. So if you have any questions on any of this, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. So here's the details. So this is on Sunday, the 26th of August. Starts at 3 p.m., ends at 5 p.m. If you prepay, meaning you pay before the date, it's $125 TT. If you pay on the day, it's $175 TT. The location is in the the Remax Real Estate Group office in St. Augustine, which is a few minutes from UE. It's right next to UE, and very easy to get to. It has parking, etc. So any questions you have, I'd love to hear them, and I look forward to seeing you at the workshop. Thank you so much.